Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. This video gonna be very informative, so don't skip and miss the video. So today I'm gonna tell 5 smart study tips to stay consistent in your studies. Let's start. Have a place devoted to work and study. Make sure that you should have a proper study space. And if not, you can make it on your own by just putting a table and a chair with your books in silent area. And please don't study on bed because bed पे पढ़ने से नींद ही आनी है. Please avoid it as much as you can. Or if table and chair is not available, then you can just put a asan or mat on the floor and start studying there. It will definitely help you. Second, never stop. We take break from study during summer or winter holidays or after every term examination. If we suddenly stop what we usually do, there is a problem restarting them. For example, summer break is a long break and हम रीडिंग राइटिंग लर्निंग सब छोड़ देते हैं और जब स्कूल या फिर कॉलेज वापस स्टार्ट होते हैं तो हमें उसे रीसेट करने में टाइम लगता है राइट किस किस को लगता है डू टेल मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन सो प्लीज नेवर स्टॉप at least write a page or learn something new every day. Third, create or join a mastermind group. Success is not a one-person journey. So seek out friends and partners who support and encourage you. But the condition is choose your group wisely. It will help you in building new techniques to learn or to write something new. Fourth, set small goals to achieve big results. You should set many small, easily attainable goals. Achieving these small goals will help you to motivate onto your bigger goals. Fifth, make your physical well-being a priority. Last but not the least, make sure that you're following basic rules of healthy living. Just example, eating nourishing and healthy foods, getting enough sleep, or just living an active lifestyle that keeps you fit and strong. Because health नहीं तो कुछ नहीं. अगर health ही हमारी सही नहीं होगी तो हमारा कुछ करने का मन नहीं करेगा. So I think it should be our first priority to make our health healthy. So this is it. I hope you get what you wanted.